The Washi Tape Shop just sent me another surprise order, so I can't wait to open all of this stuff. Let's go over to my desk and check it out. This time I'm going to do this a little bit differently. So I already opened all of these tapes to save time. We're just going to go one by one, and I'm going to show you what they are and tell you their name. And then everything will be linked in the description box. In case you're interested in purchasing it, you can get 10% off with code BUMBLE10 at Washi Tape Shop. So don't forget to use that code. And thank you for using my link. Also, after I took off the wrapping, Bumble chewed one of them. Look at that. Horrible. Bad dog. Anyway, at least it wasn't my favorite, but still depressing. So let's go one at a time and I'll show you what's here. This pet tape is called Enchanted Seasons. I think this is so cute. These little houses, each one for a different month, very colorful and cute. All of the pet tapes I'm showing you in this video also come in wide washi tape. This one is called Princess Room Neutral. I think it's so fancy, right? Just something a little bit different and neutral. But if you're more of a color fiend, it also comes in blue, which is super cute as well. Next up, we have Teatime Delights. These girls are so cute and fancy. They're all dressed up, and it kind of reminds me of Japan. But yeah, they're serving tea, and it's a whole tea party theme. You might know that I'm a coffee girly, so I love this pet tape so much with all of the coffee stuff. Coffee quotes, little pictures of coffee shops. It's right up my alley. This is called Fantasy Forest. The description says, step into a realm of wonder and whimsy designs that will transport you to a world where magical forest houses are nestled within lush plants and majestic trees. That's a great description. We have some delicate blue pastel flowers here. They're pretty big, so they're going to be able to make a big punch in your spreads, which is always something I like to do. Anyway, this one is called Serene. Perfect. This one's very similar, but with pink flowers. It's called Blush, and this is the one that Bumble likes the best because this is the one she chose to chew up. Yep. Now we have a washi tape sticker set. This comes with 2 rolls. It's called the Blooming Beauties Washi Tape Sticker Set. I really like this because each girl has flowers that match her. I think that's really cool, and it has sort of a summer or a spring vibe. The girls are very fashionable, just nice seasonal washi tape. Now we have a set of 5 washi tape sticker rolls. This is called Seasonal Splendor, and it's a collaboration with 𝘱𝘳𝘰𝘥𝘦𝘬, and I might have messed up that pronunciation, sorry, but it's inspired by the flora seen in different seasons of the year, and I think each one is so pretty. The Washi Tape Shop also sent me these really cute miniature cat stamps. You know I love cats, right? You can get the full 8-piece set called Whisker Wonderland, or you can get individual sets. I got the Meow-Tastic 2-piece set. Thanks for watching. I hope you found something you like. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.